Downloading your account data from YouTube is a straightforward process that allows you to keep a record of your activity and preferences. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account from which you want to download the data. Step 2. Access Google account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Data and Personalization. In the Google account settings, find and click on the Data and Personalization tab. This section contains options related to your data and privacy settings. Step 4. Download your data. Scroll down to the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data section. Click on Download your data to start the process of selecting the data you want to download. Step 5. Choose your YouTube data. You will be directed to Google Takeout. Here, you can select the specific YouTube data you wish to download, such as your videos, playlists, and comments. After making your selections, click on Next Step and follow the prompts to create your download link. Once you have completed these steps, you will receive an email with the link to download your data. This process helps you keep a backup of your YouTube activity and preferences.